morning, students. As we all are aware about the fact that we are facing COVID-19 disease and we are staying at home due to this disease. So we should be safe, we should take care of ourselves, and today we are going to perform an activity related to the data of coronavirus patients of different states. As today is Saturday, so on Saturday we do some activity related to other subjects. Today we are taking topic coronavirus disease patient in different states. We will collect the data and we will solve questions according to given statement. Let's see what is the statement. Collect the data of corona patients of 5 states of India. Any state we can take. Round off each observation to the nearest 100. Means actual, we will write the actual number of patients in different states, then we will round off. We are connecting our maths, how we can collect data and we can mold questions by using these data. Arrange the estimated data in ascending order. Find the most and least affected states according to data. I have taken 5 states. I have collected data from net. You can collect data from newspaper, from TV and from net. You will collect data while performing your activity by taking different states other than me. I have taken Maharashtra, which is having actual patients till now 6,430, Gujarat 2,624, Uttar Pradesh 737, Delhi 2,376, Tamil Nadu 1,204. So we have collected data. Now according to question, what is given first? Round off each observation to the nearest 100. To the nearest 100 we will round off all these numbers with all these collected information to the nearest 100. First, round off, then arranging in ascending order, then most and least affected states. Let us see how we do. First we round off to the nearest 100. We will circle 100 place digit. See the right digit, which is 3. We will compare with 5. As I told you, as 3 is less than 5, so no change. If the digit is less than 5, then no change in circle digit, in rounding place digit. 6 will remain same, as we are talking about 100 place digit. 100 we are rounding off to the nearest 100, so 1000 place will remain same. As 3 less than 5, so no change in circle digit, and last 2 digit will turn to 0. Estimated value to the nearest 100 having multiples of 100 means last 2 digits will be 0. So estimated value of 6,430 will be 6,400. Now take second number, 2,624. We have to round off to the nearest 100. So 100 place digit we will circle. Put arrow to the right digit. What is it? 2. So you will compare 2 with 5. As 2 is less than 5, so no change in circle digit, and 1000 place we will write same. 6 same according to rule, and last 2 digits will turn to 0. So 2624 will be rounded off 2600 to the nearest 100. Now take third number, 3 digit number, 100 place digit circle, which is 7. See the right digit to it, 3. Compare it with 5. As 3 is less than 5, So no change in 100 place digit, and last two will turn to 0. Last two digit will turn to 0. So 737 will be rounded to 700 to the nearest 100. Now take fourth number, that is 2376. To the nearest 100, if we round off, then 100 place digit we will circle, that is 3. See, right digit to it, that is 7. Compare with 5, as 7 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 to the circle digit. 1000 place digit will remain same. 3 plus 1, 4, and last two digit will turn to 0. Now take fifth number, 1204. Circle 100 place digit, as we are rounding to the nearest 100, so 100 place digit we will circle. See the right digit of it, that is 0. Compare with 5, as 0 is less than 5, so no change in 100 place digit. 1 will write same, no change in 100 place digit, that is 2 will same, and last two digit will turn to 0. In this way, we estimate the actual number of patients in different states to the nearest 100. Now, what is asked next? Arrange the estimated data in ascending order. We have estimated data now to the nearest 100. Now we will arrange these numbers, these data in ascending order. Now see in 5 numbers, in 5, which is smallest? 3 digit number, which is 700, you will write first. In writing in ascending order, we arrange the numbers in increasing order. So smallest number will write first, then after 4 numbers we left, in 4 numbers we will see 1200 is list, so you'll write on second. 2 numbers gone. Now in 3 numbers, which is smallest? Here 26,000, here 24,000. 24 is less than 26, so 24,000 will come first. Now 26,000, and in last 6,400. Sorry, here 2,600, and it is 6,400. So in this way we arrange estimated value in ascending order. Now what is asked next? Find the most and least affected states according to the data. Least means having less number of patients, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and the most affected state is having highest number, that is Maharashtra. So you will write least affected state, which is Uttar Pradesh, and next is most affected state, which is Maharashtra, having greatest value. In this way, we can frame questions using data related to any disease, and we can frame questions, we can do calculation round of arranging descending order, we can add how many total people all around the world have been affected, how many deaths have been happened. Okay, so you will do this activity at home and you will send me and take another data which I have used. You will not write this, you will find out other data, other states patients, how many they are, and you will perform this activity at home. Have a nice day. That's for the day.